Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to help you master English today.
And I'm Olivia. Today, we're tackling one of the most confusing topics for English learners, the difference between will and going to for talking about the future.
These both talk about future events, but they're not interchangeable. Using the wrong one can make you sound unnatural or change your meaning.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use will, when to use going to, and understand the subtle differences that native speakers feel instinctively.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We make confusing English topics simple and clear with practical examples.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding future tenses is essential for natural English.
All right, let's dive in. First, what's the basic difference between will and going to for talking about the future?
Here's the core distinction. Will is for spontaneous decisions, predictions based on opinion, and promises. Going to is for plans already made and predictions based on evidence.
Think of will as immediate, unplanned future, decisions made right now. Think of going to as prepared future, plans already in your mind.
That's the foundation. Now let's explore each one in detail with lots of examples.
Let's start with will. This has several important uses in English.
Use number 1, spontaneous decisions, decisions made at the moment of speaking.
I'll have the chicken. You just decided this now, looking at the menu, not planned before.
It's cold. I'll close the window. You just decided this second because you noticed the cold. Immediate decision.
Oh, the phone is ringing. I'll get it. Decision made right now in response to the phone ringing.
We need milk. I'll buy some on my way home. Spontaneous decision. You just decided this moment.
The key is the decision happens now at the moment of speaking, not before.
Use number 2, predictions based on opinion, belief, or what you think will happen.
I think it will rain tomorrow. This is your opinion or belief about the future, not based on current evidence.
She'll probably pass the exam. Your opinion about her chances. You believe this will happen.
The movie will be good. Your prediction based on what you think, not on evidence you see now.
I'm sure he'll help you. Your belief or confidence about future action.
These are predictions from your mind, what you think, believe, or expect, not what you see.
Use number 3, promises, offers, threats, and refusals.
Promises. I'll call you tomorrow. I'll help you move. I'll be there on time.
Offers, I'll carry that for you. I'll drive you home. I'll make dinner tonight.
Threats. I'll tell your mother. You'll regret this. I'll never speak to you again.
Refusals, I won't do it. She won't come. They won't help us.
All these show willingness or unwillingness to do something, future actions we commit to or refuse.
Use number 4, general facts about the future, things that will definitely happen.
The sun will rise tomorrow. Absolute certainty. This happens every day.
You'll be 30 next year. Mathematical certainty based on your age.
Christmas will be on a Thursday this year. Calendar fact. Unchangeable.
Water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Scientific fact. Always true.
Use number 5. Future conditions with if, when, before, after.
If it rains, I'll stay home. After if, use present tense, then will in the main clause.
When you arrive, I'll be waiting. After when, use present tense, then will in the main clause.
I'll call you before I leave. After before, use present tense, then will in the main clause.
This is a fixed grammar rule in English. Will doesn't go in the if, when, before, or after clause.
Now let's explore going to. This also has several specific uses.
Use number 1. Plans and intentions already decided before speaking.
I'm going to study medicine. This is a plan you decided before this conversation, pre-existing decision.
We're going to visit Paris next summer. You already made this plan. It's not a spontaneous decision now.
She's going to quit her job. This decision already exists in her mind, not made at this moment.
They're going to get married next June. Pre-planned decision. They decided this before now.
The key is the plan or intention existed before the moment of speaking.
Use number 2. Predictions based on present evidence. You can see signs now.
Look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. You see evidence now. The clouds indicate rain.
Watch out, you're going to fall. You see evidence now. The person is losing balance.
The car's going to crash. You see evidence now. The car is heading towards something.
She's going to have a baby. You see evidence now. She's visibly pregnant.
These are predictions based on what you observe right now, not just your opinion.
Use number 3. Something inevitable or certain to happen soon.
I'm going to be sick. You feel nauseous. It's about to happen.
I'm going to be sick. You feel nauseous now. It's about to happen.
The building's going to collapse. You see it's unstable. It's imminent.
I'm going to sneeze. You feel the sensation. It's coming right now.
Now let's directly compare will and going to see the difference clearly.
Spontaneous decision. Someone's at the door. I'll get it. Decision made now. Use will.
Spontaneous action. I'm going to answer the door when John arrives. Already planned. Use going to.
Opinion-based prediction. I think it will rain tomorrow. Based on your feeling. Use will.
Evidence-based prediction. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. Based on what you see now, use going to.
Spontaneous offer. That looks heavy. I'll help you carry it. Offering now. Use will.
Spontaneous help. I'm going to help you move on Saturday. Already arranged. Use going to.
Promise. I'll call you tomorrow. I promise. Commitment. Use will.
Stated plan. I'm going to call the doctor tomorrow. Already planning to do this. Use going to.
See the pattern? Will equals spontaneous, opinion-based promises. Going to equals planned, evidence-based.
Now let's look at situations where both could work but with slightly different meanings.
I will call you tomorrow suggests a promise or spontaneous decision to call.
I'm going to call you tomorrow suggests you already planned to call. It was already in your mind.
It will rain is your opinion or belief. Maybe you check the forecast.
It's going to rain suggests you see evidence now, dark clouds, wind picking up.
I will study tonight sounds like you just decided this now.
I'm going to study tonight sounds like you already planned this earlier today.
Both are grammatically correct, but the feeling and implication differ slightly.
Now let's discuss the structure and formation of each.
Will structure. Subject plus will plus base verb. I will go. She will eat. They will come.
Negative, subject plus will not or won't plus base verb. I won't go. She won't eat.
Question. Will plus subject plus base verb. Will you go? Will she eat?
Very simple structure. Will is the same for all subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Going to structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus going to plus base verb.
I am going to go. She is going to eat. They are going to come.
Negative. Subject plus am, is, are plus not plus going to plus base verb. I'm not going to go. She isn't going to eat.
Question. Am, is, are plus subject plus going to plus base verb. Are you going to go? Is she going to eat?
More complex. You need the right form of be, am, is, are for the subject.
Let's discuss common mistakes learners make with will and going to.
Mistake 1. Using will in the if clause. Wrong. If it will rain, I'll stay home. Right. If it rains, I'll stay home.
After if, when, before, after, use present simple, not will. This is a fixed rule.
Mistake 2. Using going to for spontaneous decisions. Wrong. The phone's ringing. I'm going to answer it. Right. I'll answer it.
Spontaneous decisions need will. The decision happens now, not before.
Mistake 3. Using will when evidence is visible. Awkward. Look at those clouds. It will rain. Better. It's going to rain.
When you see clear evidence now, going to is more natural than will.
Mistake 4. Saying I will to go. Wrong structure. Right. I will go or I'm going to go.
Will takes base verb without to. Don't add to after will.
Mistake 5. Using going to for promises. Awkward. I'm going to call you, I promise. Better. I'll call you.
Promises naturally use will. It shows commitment and willingness.
Let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios.
Scenario 1. Making weekend plans. What are you doing this weekend? I'm going to visit my parents. What about you? I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll stay home and relax.
Going to visit means plan already made in advance. I'll stay home means not decided yet, spontaneous thought now.
Scenario 2. At a restaurant. What are you going to have? I'm going to get the pasta. What about you? I'll try the fish.
Going to get means already decided from looking at the menu. I'll try means deciding right now.
Scenario 3. Weather discussion. Look at those dark clouds. I know, it's going to storm. I think it will last all afternoon. We should go inside. I'll close the windows.
Going to storm means evidence visible now. Will last means prediction or opinion. I'll close means spontaneous decision now.
Scenario 4. Helping someone. This box is so heavy. Don't worry, I'll help you carry it. Thanks. I'm going to take it upstairs. I'll come with you.
I'll help means spontaneous offer now. Going to take means already planning to do this. I'll come means spontaneous decision.
These scenarios show how native speakers naturally choose between will and going to.
Let's discuss time expressions that commonly go with each.
With will, probably, possibly, maybe, I think, I'm sure, I hope, definitely, certainly.
I'll probably call you. Maybe I'll come. I think she'll like it. These show opinion or uncertainty.
With going to, tonight, tomorrow, next week, this weekend, soon, later.
I'm going to study tonight. We're going to travel next month. These show definite plans.
Both can use time expressions, but will often pairs with words showing opinion or possibility.
Now let's look at the contracted forms, very important for natural speech.
Will contractions, I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, we'll, they'll.
I will go to I'll go. She will come to she'll come. Very common in speech.
Will not is won't. This is the negative contraction. I won't go. She won't come.
Going to contraction in speech, gonna, very casual.
I'm going to go is I'm gonna go. She's going to eat is she's gonna eat.
Important. Gonna is only for speaking. In writing, always write going to.
Won't and gonna make your speech sound natural and fluent.
Let's discuss shall, an alternative to will in some situations.
Shall is mainly British English and formal, used with I and we for offers and suggestions. Shall I open the window? Shall we go? British formal style.
In American English, people usually use will or should instead. Shall is less common in modern English, but good to recognize.
Now let's look at will and going to in questions, important for conversations.
Will questions often ask for predictions, promises, or spontaneous decisions.
Will you help me? Asking for willingness to help, seeking a promise or offer.
Will it rain tomorrow? Asking for a prediction or opinion.
What will you do? Asking what someone will decide to do.
Going to questions often ask about plans and intentions.
What are you going to do this weekend? Asking about existing plans.
Are you going to study tonight? Asking if they already plan to study.
Where are you going to go on vacation? Asking about planned destination.
Both work in many questions, but the focus differs. Will asks about decisions or predictions. Going to asks about plans.
Here are memory tricks to remember when to use each.
Trick 1. Will equals willing. Use when you're willing to do something, offers or promises, or when it's your opinion or will.
Trick 2. Going to equals getting ready. Use when you're already getting ready mentally, plans, or physically, visible evidence.
Trick 3. Now or not. If the decision is now, use will. If it was decided before now, use going to.
Trick 4. See or think. If you see evidence, use going to. If you think or believe, use will.
Trick 5. Quick will, planned going. Quick spontaneous equals will. Planned ahead equals going to.
Here are practical tips for mastering will and going to.
Tip 1. Start by learning the main differences, spontaneous versus planned, opinion versus evidence.
Tip 2. Pay attention to context. Is someone making a spontaneous offer? Use will. Discussing weekend plans? Use going to.
Tip 3. Listen to native speakers. Notice when they use will versus going to in movies, shows, and conversations.
Tip 4. Practice both structures until they feel natural. Create sentences about your own life.
Tip 5. Remember that will doesn't go after if, when, before, after. Use present tense there.
Tip 6. Use contractions. I'll and gonna sound much more natural in speech than full forms.
Tip 7. When in doubt, going to is often safer for talking about future plans.
Tip 8. Don't overthink. With practice, choosing the right one becomes automatic and natural.
Let's create practice exercises to test your understanding.
Choose will or going to. Look at those clouds. It rain. Answer is going to rain. Visible evidence.
I will help you with that.
We are going to visit Paris next summer.
I think she will like this gift.
The phone's ringing. I will get it.
I am going to start a new job next month.
If it rains, I will stay home.
She looks tired. She is going to fall asleep.
These exercises help you internalize when to use each one.
Let's do a comprehensive summary of everything we've covered.
Will is used for spontaneous decisions made now, predictions based on opinion or belief, promises and offers, threats and refusals, general future facts.
Going to is used for plans and intentions already decided, predictions based on present evidence, imminent or inevitable actions.
Key difference. Will equals now decision or think, believe. Going to equals before decision or see evidence.
Structures. Will plus base verb, simple. Am is are going to plus base verb, more complex.
Common mistakes. Will in if clauses, going to for spontaneous decisions, wrong structure, going to for promises.
Contractions. I'll, won't, writing and speaking. Gonna, speaking only, not writing.
Both can often work, but the meaning shifts slightly. Will suggests spontaneity. Going to suggests planning.
Memory tricks. Will equals willing, now, think. Going to, getting ready, before, see.
Before we finish, this is crucial. Please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical lessons every week to help you understand English deeply and speak naturally.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone learning English.
Leave us a comment with 2 sentences, one using will and one using going to. Practice makes perfect.
Challenge yourself. Today, notice when you talk about the future. Practice thinking, is this spontaneous or planned? Then choose.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope will and going to are crystal clear now.
Remember, both talk about the future, but the feeling and implication are different. Choosing correctly makes you sound natural.
Keep practicing, keep learning, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.